Hey guys, my name is Molly Kate. I also go by Roam the World Girl on YouTube and Instagram. Today is my first day on YouTube and I'm starting a travel vlog. So basically my whole life I've been traveling and falling in love with travel. It all started when I was 5 years old. I was watching Samantha Brown on the Travel Channel. A lot of people my age might remember her, but she used to have this cool show where she just used to show everybody the world, and she would give like details on all of the hotels she was in and massages she was getting and all the awesome destinations she was going. And I told my mom I want Samantha Brown's job. When I was in high school, as a freshman in high school, and my high school was going to Greece, and so I borrowed the money from my parents, went by myself with like 60 of my classmates with no parental unit at all besides my friend's mom. But anyway, I ended up falling in love with Greece. The travel bug was super strong. I paid my parents back within a year of going on the trip, and ever since then I've been traveling like crazy. So now I've hit, I think, like 13 countries, maybe 15, I'm not sure. But I most recently got back from traveling through Middle East, Asia, India, and Mexico for 9 months. So basically, a lot of people along the way throughout the last several years have asked me how I do it, how I make my money, how I save my money, how I plan where I'm going, etc., how I buy my tickets. So I figured that I would just start a travel blog and give you guys all the information on everything you need to know about traveling cheaply, traveling lightly with your bags, buying cheap flights, being flexible, getting free accommodation, working while you're traveling, speaking different languages, just about everything I could cover, as well as any requests from you guys. So I'm super happy to be here. I'm really excited to start this journey, and I'm excited to see what's in store. So if you are ready to jump on this journey with me, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, send me some comments if you already have requests, and I will hopefully have a video for you out this week about my first tips.